and then it's put on the item, and charcoal dust is rubbed over the stencil. And then when we remove the stencil, you can see a vague sketch on the face. All dots and dots and dots. The charcoal dust will burn away, so it doesn't matter at all. And it helps the painter to paint the outlines in the same way as they has been painting for centuries already. So the stencil helps for the outlines, and then an example helps when he has to choose if it has to be dark blue or light blue. The paint is applied with water. When you use less water, it's a darker blue. When you use more water, it's a lighter blue. But he's painting in grey, and he has to imagine how it will look in blue, because it only turns blue when it has been in the oven for the second time. Due to a chemical reaction, the grey paint becomes blue. That's the iconic Delft blue. So when it's finished, it will be glazed, covered with a white glaze. In the oven, the white glaze becomes transparent and the grey paint becomes blue. So that's how we all make the products. Okay. Are there any questions for me or Simon? You are more than welcome.
How many times can you reuse the stencil?
More than 100 times when we are careful. Yeah. And we are careful because it's time consuming to make. Yeah. You can see here, it's another stencil. Each item has its own stencil.
Then how do you make it identical? How do you make it identical?
When we use this, it's every time identical, but I don't think that's the question.
Well,
when we have to make a new one.
Yeah, new one, new stencil.
We make a new plastic. It's not perforated, but then we lay the plastic on the item, and then we
do it again.
Yeah.
What's the name of the for the glue?
The cobalt oxide.
Cobalt
oxide.
oxide.
Yeah. That's the pigment.
oxide.
Yeah. Okay. So then I'd like to thank you for your visit and your attention. I'll take you with me to the shop, and I'll be in the shop maybe for just other questions. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Then you have time to look around or